So I thought it was an exhaust leak. It's actually not an exhaust leak. What's going on is, it's hard to see, right here, there's a hole in the tar plate. That's good. Luckily, the Napa that we pulled into has a new spacer plate and hopefully some gaskets, and we can get back on the road. And hopefully we don't have this problem again. That'd be good. So. All right, they didn't have the spacer, but they do have a thick gasket, which might get us where we need to go. So we'll change it out, see how it works, and hopefully we can get out of here. All right, so the crossover tube that goes underneath the carburetor is causing us to have a huge vacuum leak, and it's what melted our carb spacer. So we are gonna drill and tap it, put some plugs in there, make sure that we don't have that problem anymore. Hopefully we can get back on the road and not have to worry about this anymore. All right, so we're at an undisclosed location. We have a friend that is helping us out, and he's gonna weld up these holes for us so we don't have this vacuum leak anymore, and we'll get back on the road. We're back on the road. We're gonna get gas. We have a half tank, but we don't really know what the gas gauge does on this thing, so we're gonna put gas in it. It's currently 3:21 in California. In Barstow, we have to get to Irwindale, California, which in theory is only about an hour and a half, but hopefully we beat all the traffic and the mess. Probably not. All right. I'm assuming this is an original fuel pump. It's very old. It's got 100,000 miles on it.